Okay guys, another day at Houston Wheel Repair. I want to show you this truck. We're going to take out some curb rash on these $6,000 wheels. If you look close, there's rash here and there's rash there. Wife's driving the car, husband doesn't know his baby has been messed up. So we're going to get it fixed and he'll never know the difference. Beautiful truck, beautiful wheels. These are some American Force wheels. So we're getting ready to fix this up for this client and go get it done in 2 hours. Here's another truck for one of our athletes. He's a football player. He loves it. This truck was originally blue with decals and stickers. It was horrible looking when it came in. We just finished the truck and we did the bumper in black. We did the spray on bed liner. We changed the back tail lamps. The back tail lamps we changed. We painted the bumper gloss black. We did the wheels in black. We did the step here in gloss black. We did inside the door jambs because it was originally blue. And we also did the calipers in red. And the beauty of this truck is the front. All right, we changed out the headlights and we put the Evolution grill in. Now I'll attach this to other videos, but you'll see what we did to pull this grill insert out. It's a custom cut fit-in grill. It doesn't come like this. This is the original grill. This is a piece that we had to cut out and make it work, but it's beautiful. Customers extremely excited about picking this truck up. This is what we do at HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Okay, I just wanted to show you the truck from a different angle. Look at those lights, man. It's mean. I mean, this truck is going to look awesome in the nighttime. So once again, we did the headlights and we did the paint bed liner on this truck. I mean, customers ecstatic about it. It looks totally awesome. This is what we do here at Houston Wheel Repair, mywheeldoctor.com. We don't only focus on wheels, we customize cars, trucks, you name it. We do it all. Today is a great day. We got a 2017 Cadillac CTS. We're blacking out the wheels. We have a 2019 Infiniti Q50, brand new car. We're painting the brake calipers. As you see, we take a lot of pride in taping up the calipers so we won't get any overspray, okay? This is the thing that we do. We don't like overspray, so we take pride in what we do. Also, we got several other trucks. This truck here is getting, the wheel is cracked. We're going to fix it. And this one, we got curb rash on it. We're going to take care of that as well. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Okay guys, I want to show you the finished product on the American Force wheels. This is why I say we are the best. I want to show you where the curb rash was at. It's right here. You can't even tell where it was at. This little circle here, if you notice, it's touching, the lip of the wheel is touching that circle there. It's because we had to get rid of some of the material to smooth it out. But look at the buffing, look at the finished product. I'm gonna go around this entire wheel to show you that we're not showing you an area that was never curb rashed. Okay, this is the wheel in its entirety. This is why we are the best. Now, the young lady, this is her boyfriend's wheel. Without a doubt, he will never know that this was damaged. There's no way, because I couldn't tell where the damage was at. So she's gonna be very pleased. Her boyfriend's gonna be happy. She won't have to tell him that she damaged his baby. Everyone's happy, and this is what we do. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best.